Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious oven braised oxtail. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and season our oxtail. First I went ahead and washed it up in some lemon juice, and I'll be using some garlic and onions, some bell peppers, and some thyme. I also have some crushed pimento berries here, and for the seasoning I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, some bouillon, black pepper, seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, sazon, and complete seasoning. I also have some homemade burnt sugar that I'll be using, but feel free to use browning or whatever coloring you have on hand. I will be using some fresh green seasoning as well, so let's get started. First, you want to add all of the ingredients that I mentioned to the oxtail and mix really well to combine. Then we'll sit the lid on and allow to marinate overnight. Now let's make the gravy for the oxtail using some beef bone broth. It looks solid, but once I heat this up, it will become a liquid. Now you can go ahead and use regular beef broth, chicken broth, you could even use water, but once you use those, you will have to add seasoning for flavor. Mine is already well seasoned. I can leave a link of how I did this down in the description box and you could see the process. I also will be using some of the homemade burnt sugar, some ketchup, and cornstarch. So basically what you want to do is just add a little bit of that homemade burnt sugar for color, and then we will add the ketchup and the cornstarch. Mix well, and this will be used as our gravy. The cornstarch will thicken it and it will be absolutely delicious. But like I said, if you're using plain water or store-bought beef broth or chicken broth, you might need to season it a bit more. To a preheated cast iron pot, I will add a bit of oil, and then we will start adding the oxtails here. We will go ahead and brown them on both sides. Once they're brown, I'll show you the next step. So at this point, you want to preheat your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to slow cook this, and you want to add all of the remaining seasoning at the bottom of your bowl to the oxtail. I will go in with a few more pimento berries, and I will add 2 scotch bonnet peppers. Now if you don't like spicy food, don't add the peppers in here because they will pop eventually, or you can keep checking them, and you know, if you feel like it added enough flavor, you can remove the peppers. But yeah, we will add those in, and then we will add our gravy. And what you want to do is cover this and place it into the oven for about 3 to 4 hours. The last 10 minutes you can add some butter bean, and yeah, that's basically it. When I tell you this was so quick, easy, and delicious, you guys have to try this recipe. The gravy was nice and thick, as you can see, and it was so good, juicy and delicious. You know, I don't like my oxtails to be too tender to where it's like it falls off the bone and you don't have anything to bite into. I like it nice and tender, but not too tender, if you understand what I mean. Like this here was just perfect for me. They were not like falling off the bone to be like all over the pot and mushy, but they were nice and soft, like melting in your mouth. And that's how I like my oxtail. Now I will plate this up and show you all the finished product. And here you have it, my version of oven braised oxtail. When I tell you this was so delicious and mouth-watering, I really wanted some rice. After being on the 30-day challenge, I gave up rice for 30 days, and this was my first rice meal. I truly enjoyed it, and I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy!